tutorial, we're going to be taking a look at how teachers can provide feedback to students in an easy way on a collaboratively shared Google Doc. So here you can see as the Google Classroom opened on the screen, the teacher has posted a Google Classroom material, which is identifiable with this icon here. And it can also be done through a Google Classroom assignment. And so we'll open the Google Doc, which in this particular instance was a Google Doc that was collaboratively shared. As you can see, different users have entered the activity and completed work. So it's really simple to do. And you can see if I scroll over to the right, comments were actually already left by these users. So each user can leave a comment, and it actually timestamps it with the date and the time. If I click on the comment, I actually have the option to reply. So you're welcome, reply, and it's going to timestamp it with my name, date, and time as well, and it will be sent to that user. Once I've replied to that user, I then also have the option to click resolved as well. And when I clicked on the comment, you'll notice that it slightly indents over to the left, and it actually highlights the section where the comment was left. So in this instance, the user had highlighted the word virtuality and had left the comment based on that. Another option here, we can see there's a comment left by the teacher. Again, if we click on it, it's going to indent the comment box into the left, and it actually highlights the entire row, because when the teacher left the class comment, they left it on the entire work that the student had done, which in this case was an entire row, and it also changes the color to highlight what the comment represents. And here the teacher has actually assigned the comment to a particular student. In this case, this is a training Google Classroom, so it was done by user number. You can just put in plus and it will bring up the user's name. So you can assign it by doing that, to use the plus button and add the person's name to assign it to them. And here the teacher has said, great use of insert image, keep up the great work. So it's a nice way to provide positive feedback to students in a collaborative setting. So everybody's reading the comments, and it's a nice way to encourage each other for digital citizenship skills as well as content skills. Then again, after the student replies, or the partner or the classmate, they can click resolve to resolve that. As I'm the one who created the comment, I also have the option to link to the comment, edit it, or delete it. So if I've made a spelling mistake or I wanted to add something to it, I can edit if it's my comment that I've added. So we'll just show you how you can do that. So again, you can highlight the area. Again, it can only be like a letter, or you can just right click on the box and you can type in to add. Here I will select the entire box, or I can select the image and right click and you'll see the comment option is there. So here I will select the entire work, and you'll see there that a little icon pops up with add comment. So I'll click on add comment. My name appears in the box. Excellent use of maths ideas for Google Classroom integration. Keep it up. And I'll click comment, and that adds my comment to the area. Again, you'll see that it alters the color of the text, and if I click on it, it shows again a darker shade so that it shows exactly what it's referring to. So this is one way that students can reply to each other. And again, I guess the most important thing we want to keep in mind is that these comments are accessible to read and to reply to with anybody who is shared into this Google Doc. So if as a teacher your intention is to provide individual private feedback, then you definitely want to make sure you do that in a private way through a Google Classroom assignment private comment, or you do that in person one-to-one with the student in the classroom. So this is something that is really amazing for you to give collaborative feedback with your students.